Alright guys, so today we're going to go over finding the area of a triangle if we don't know the height. Okay, so what's the formula for the area of a triangle?
1/2 base on
Alright, so area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, right? Now, if we're only given two sides and an angle, we don't have the height, right? So, say we have a triangle looks like this. They give us this angle, this side, and this side. Alright? So in order to find the area of this particular triangle, we need to know what the height is. Well, if we draw a straight line down from here, makes a right triangle, okay? We know this angle, this side, and we're trying to find this. What can we use to find that extra side? Not necessarily the law of sines, just our identities, right? So, which one of the identities is opposite over hypotenuse? Sine.
Sine.
Yeah. So, we know that sine of C equals opposite, which is our H, over hypotenuse, which is the A. Okay? So, we're trying to solve for H so we can plug it into our formula. So, multiply A to both sides to get H by itself. So we got A sine of C equals H. Okay? B's our base. Substitute the H in. So the area of our triangles, 1/2 base times height, which is A sine of C. Alright, that's the formula we need to remember. Okay? I was just kind of proving y'all how we get it. Alright, so let's work a problem like this real quick. Alright, so we have A equals 3, B equals 4, and C equals 60. Alright? So, we can just plug this straight into the calculator if you want to. But, guys, we know what sine of 60 is, don't we?
Yes.
With our unit circle? Alright, so, calculator really isn't needed. 1/2, your B is 4, your C is 3, and we take sine of 60. Alright? 4 times 3 divided by 2 is what? 6. Sine of 60. Square root of 3 over 2. Multiply together, we can reduce it to 3 square root of 3. If you punch this whole thing in the calculator or you just punch in 3 square root of 3, it's going to give you the same answer. Alright? So, that's how you solve a side angle side when you're given two sides and an angle in between. Now, there is, it's a whole different formula if you're only given, if you're given 3 sides. Alright? Now, you need a special formula for that, and it's called Heron's formula. Okay? I would show you all the proof to it, but we haven't gone over double angles yet, and it involves that. So I'm just going to write it out for you. Alright, so this is Heron's formula. Alright, it's the area equals S, the square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Alright, and S equals 1/2 of A plus B plus C. Right? That's a little bit more work, a little bit more complicated than the first one I went over, but it's really pretty simple to solve, okay? So, we don't know H in this case. We don't know this angle. Alright, so we're given